Welcome back, Crammers, to question 9. Write the time 8:30 using a 24-hour clock. We can see that it's PM, so PM is simply 12 plus whatever hour. So 8 plus 12 is 20, and we write the 30. So it's 20:30. Ella started watching television at 10:50 a.m. She watched a comedy program lasting 45 minutes, a sports program lasting 1 hour 70 minutes, and we know that an hour is equal to 60 minutes, so we can simply write here 70 minutes, and the history program, which is unknown. There were no breaks, no advertisements between the programs. Ella finished watching television at 2:20 p.m. How long did the history program last? If we're able to find the total duration and subtract the comedy program and the sports program, we can then find the time for the history program. So firstly, we can convert 2:20 p.m. into a 24-hour clock. So 2 plus 12 is simply 14, and we write the time as 20. Now we have to convert the hours to minutes in order to find this out. So 14 times 20 plus, 14 times 60 plus 20, and then we subtract 10 times 60 plus 50. In order to get the total duration of minutes, we can then use our calculator here, bracket 14 times 60 plus 20, close the bracket, subtract, open bracket. We have 10 times 60 plus 50. We have 210 total minutes elapsed. 210 total minutes elapsed. And we can see here that the comedy program lasted 45 minutes. So we can write here 210, which is the total. Subtract the comedy program, so 45. Subtract the sports program, which is 70 minutes. We can then get the elongation of the history program. So if we use our calculator here, we simply have 210 minus 45 minus 70, which gives us 95 total minutes. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.